fear no shadow. I have walked through nights so black the stars forgot to shine. And still, I found the path beneath my feet. I fear no storm. It is a whisper compared to the roar of my soul. Its lightning only reveals the strength already burning in me. I fear no silence. For silence is not emptiness. It is the forge where truth is born. In its stillness, I hear my power more clearly. I fear no flame. It cannot consume me, for I am the flame. Through fire I rise, untouchable, unbroken. I fear no crown. Gold melts, and every throne is swallowed by ash. True power is not given. It is carried within.